Well, just found me a bike. I don't know whose they are, but it's mine now. That's where I got it from. Let's go on a little hiking stroll. Let's go see if we can find people. Everybody disappeared. Went to Walmart. Everybody left to do something. Hope I don't get in trouble or arrested. I am the only Mexican out here on a bike that I just got on. I don't even know who it belongs to. Oops, speed bump. Let's go over here. We'll tie it this way. Hope I can make it back to the top of this hill. I am a little out of shape. Howdy, people. There's the little tour thing, which it charges $25 a person. So ask me, I think that's a ripoff. Now, where am I going? I don't fucking know. I'm just going. Gone with the wind. By the way, I haven't even pedaled. Still going down the hill. It's gonna be a bitch coming up this hill. Hope I don't get attacked by some kind of wild creature. Oh, there's a wild creature right there. It's working though. That's his truck. Alright, let me show y'all this way. Well, there's the hill that we just came up.